Rational exponents are power expressions with exponents that are in fraction form. To simplify rational exponents, the laws of exponents will be applied. So, on this topic, we're going to evaluate expressions with rational exponents. So, these are the steps. Number 1, express the base to its equivalent power, where the denominator of the exponents will be the same as its exponents. So, later, I will going to show you the example. And then, using the power rule, simplify the expression. So, remember this. Let n be a positive integer. Then b raised to 1 over n is defined as the principal nth root of b. This means that if b is positive, then b raised to 1 over n is the unique positive number a such that a raised to n is equal to b. If b is equal to 0, then b raised to 1 over n is 0. So, to explain more about this number 1, let's have an example. So, 25 raised to 1/2. So, yung base natin dito ay positive 25. And then, dahil positive 25, yung base, the value of b raised to 1 over n is unique positive number a. So, ang magiging value niya ay positive. So, ang gagawin lang, itatransform natin yung 25 into exponential form. We all know 25 is equal to 5 squared, then copy raised to 1/2. And apply the power rule. 2 times 1/2 ay 1, kaya 5 raised to 1. And 5 raised to 1 is the value is 5. Kapag yung b ay 0, then yung 0 raised to 1/2 ay 0. Ito yung ibig sabihin ng naka-highlight dito na red. Okay, next. And not negative 5. Okay, next. Kapag naman, if b is negative and n is odd, then b raised to 1 over n is the unique real number a such that a raised to n is equal to b. So, in here, yung base ay negative, unlike kanina, number 1, positive. Ang base ay negative at ang value ng n ay odd. Saan ba makikita yung n? Doon po sa rational exponent, 1 over n. Odd. Okay, so 3. Therefore, there is a unique real number a na magsasatisfy dito po sa ating given. So, we will have yung negative 8 into an exponential form, negative 2 cube. And then, pag multiply yung cube sa 1/3, magiging 1. So, the final answer is negative 2 raised to 1. So, therefore, ang ibig sabihin, ang value po ng negative 8 raised to 1/3 ay negative 2. Okay, number 3, what if yung base ay negative at ang n is even? So, ang sagot nyo po ay undefined. So, unlike in number 2, balikan natin yung number 2, yung base ay negative at yung n ay odd, so may sagot kayo which is negative. Pero kapag ang base ay negative at ang n ay even, so undefined po yun. Okay? So, let's have the following examples. Number 1, 49 raised to 1/2 equals yung 49, it could be 7 squared raised to 1/2. Pag multiply mo yung 2 by 1/2, it became 1. So, 7 raised to 1 or 7. So, therefore, the value of 49 raised to 1/2 is equal to 7. Next, number 2, 27 raised to 2/3. So, yung 27, pag naka-exponential form is 3 cube. Then, raised to 2/3. So, multiply natin yung 3 by 2/3. So, we will have 3 squared. Bakit 3 squared? Kasi 3 times 2 ay 6. So, 3 raised to 6 over, so 1 times 3 ay 3. So, therefore, 6 divided by 3 is 2. We will have 3 squared. And the value of 3 squared is 9. So therefore, 27 raised to 2/3 is equal to 9. Okay, number 3, 64 raised to 1/3 plus 64 raised to 1/2. So yung 64 is 4 cubed raised to 1/3 plus yung 64, ginamit ko dito ay 8 squared raised to 1/2. Bakit magkaiba? Kasi dito, naka-raise sa 1/3. So, hanap tayo ng 64 in exponential form na exponent ay 3. Dito naman, 64 raised to 1/2. Dahil 1/2, 2, kaya ang ginamit ko ay 8 squared. So, in here, 4 raised to 3 raised to 1/3. 3 times 1/3 is 1, so 4 raised to 1. And yung 8 squared raised to 1/2, 2 times 1/2 is 1, kaya 8 raised to 1. So therefore, natanggal na natin yung rational exponent or fractional exponents. Pwede na nating ma-add ito. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, number 4. 5 cubed raised to 2/3 minus 4 squared raised to 1/2. So ito, pwede na nating i-multiply yung exponent. 3 times 2/3 is 5 squared minus yung 4 squared times 1/2 is 4. 5 squared. Bakit 5 squared? Kasi 3 times 2 ay 6. Tapos dito may 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Kaya naging 5 squared. Ito na bakit naging 4 raised to 1? Kasi 2 times 1/2 is 1. Then, evaluate yung 5 squared, 25 minus 4. So therefore, the answer is 21. Okay, next, number 5. In here, pwede nating i-distribute yung 1/2. So, 11 squared raised to 1/2. Dahil yung 121 ay pwede namang gawing 11 squared, then raised to 1/2. M raised to 2/3 times 1/2, and n raised to 6 times 1/2. Again, yung exponent po yung i-multiply dito. So, 11 squared raised to 1/2, 2 times 1/2 ay 1. So, 11 na lang. And then, yung m raised to 2/3 times 1/2 is 2 times 1 ay 2, 3 times 2 ay 6, so 2 over 6, ang lowest term ay 1/3. Or pwede naman po mag-cancel, yung 2 cancel. So, matitira 1/3. Then, dito naman sa n raised to 6 raised to 1/2, 6 times 1/2. 6 times 1 ay 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. And what is 6 divided by 2? 3. Kaya n raised to 3rd power. So, that is the final answer, 11, m raised to 1/3, and n raised to 3.